First Alert Weather with meteorologist Ted Schmidt.
We are feeling the heat and humidity out there, and we could see another round of storms later today.
That's the kind of environment for that, Jess. Also the time of year for that. June is typically known for having a lot of severe weather. It's on average the wettest month of the year and is by far the peak of severe weather season in a typical environment. Last year was such an aberration, such an unusual year when we had almost no rainfall and very little severe weather. This year has been very wet and very much more typical for the summer. Right now, here's a look at our Louis Todado live cameras. Gray skies. We had some sun. It's very filtered at this point. Kind of a breezy, very warm day. Dew points in the 70s. Warm conditions. An approaching cold front that sets the stage for a windy, warm, humid, and stormy environment. Severe storms possible this evening, and they'll look for more showers. Maybe some rumbles of thunder in the coming days. Severe weather after this evening really disappears for a while. The threat of severe weather, not for at least a few days. We'll have more chances of rain perhaps over the weekend with some seasonable sunshine as well. Right now, future track showing us with the clouds developing very isolated showers. Activity between Northwood down toward Manly and Northwood Clear Lake. Some rumbles of thunder, not severe, but activity developing ahead of this approaching storm system. This is where the heat, humidity are building, and this storm system, that front coming in for the west, will provide the lift that will trigger those thunderstorms that eventually will set the stage for severe weather later today. Timing of that, primarily 6 p.m. to 11 p.m. today. Right now, damaging winds, the greatest risk, but still hail a possibility. 1 to 2 inch diameter hail and even some tornadoes. Some activity may fire up to the west coming in. As it does, it'll become more of a damaging wind environment, but there's a chance that initially we may see a tornadic threat initially around 6 or 7 o'clock with some of the leading edge of that. Rainfall in the past 24 hours, 1 to 3 inches area wide. It's been a wet situation. We had 2.15 inches in northeast Rochester. Here at the studio, 1.9 inches yesterday. At the airport, less than an inch in Rochester. But you see where everything north of Interstate 90 had quite a bit of rainfall in most spots. And that has led to some flood concerns. Wabasha right now still below flood stage, but it's likely to change. Thursday evening, the Mississippi River will be above flood stage. And there is a flood watch now in effect because of that, and likely reaching its crest next Tuesday at 13 feet. That would be a full foot above flood stage, about twice as much flooding. And last time it was about half a foot above flood stage about 2 weeks ago. This time around, likely a full foot above flood stage, and minor flooding is likely by next week. 81 right now in Rochester. It's 79 in Austin. Mesa City 80 will tack on a few more degrees as we warm up. Gusty winds, even without sunshine, they're pulling that warmth. Those winds, 32 miles per hour Rochester. Mesa City 38. So rainfall timing, isolated showers and storms this afternoon. After 6, stronger activity fires up. The most widespread, heaviest rain 8 until about 11 p.m. And then showers will slowly taper off after midnight, but severe threat before midnight at this point. Future track, a gusty day with limited sunshine. Here come those showers and thunderstorms. Leading edge of that between 6 and 8 o'clock. That's the severe weather environment really firing up in activity until at least 11. Beyond that, showers, a couple thunderstorms overnight, leftover showers in the morning, and then still a couple of spotty showers in the afternoon, but does look like we'll dry out with maybe a peek at the sun. Temperatures tomorrow barely in the 70s though, much cooler than today. And showers pop up here and there for Thursday, a stray shower or thunderstorm, but not severe weather, not heavy rainfall on Thursday, but kind of an unsettled day, maybe a few stray thunderstorms on Friday as well. Look for rain chances this evening, parts of tomorrow and Thursday, and then off and on showers and storms with some sun on Friday and Saturday. And Sunday looks to be the only day right now without any rain chances attached to it. Look for 70s and 80s for highs in the coming days. Today, the warmest of the next entire week. Look for showers and thunderstorms late today, maybe a brief shower or storm, but severe weather in the evening. 87 the high temperature, south winds at times 30 to 40 miles per hour. Definitely a windy and warm, humid day. 64 tonight, showers and storms in the evening. Cloudy and mild showers still after midnight though, but severe weather not after midnight. 71 tomorrow, a much cooler day, a cool north breeze, isolated showers, very limited thunder though. 7-day forecast showers and some thunder here and there for the latter part of the week. And typical June temperatures, aside from tomorrow's low 70s, that's actually quite a bit cooler than average, I guess making up for today's much warmer than average weather situation.
Yeah, anyone feeling the heat today can cool off a bit tomorrow.
I would say so. That big change.
Thank you, Ted.